So I attached the fence here, running it all the way up along this fence here to keep chickens out. Darn chickens. Keep wanting to come in here and scratch up my garden beds, destroying my plants. So anyway, I know it's not perfect, but I think it's going to deter them for the most part. There may be one or two that's a little smart and can figure their way in anyway. But that's what I got. Got it kind of shoved in the corner there. I still have this rest of this roll here to be able to use. Got a bunch of cardboard for future garden spots, I guess. This part back here, of course, they'd have to go all the way around the building and figure it out to come in right there. But I'll deal with that later if I have to. Got my melon plant growing there, and I don't want to mess with my melon plant, and I don't want the chickens to mess with it either. So I think I'm going to have to extend the fence up a little ways to kind of deter them, I guess. And I do plan on expanding the garden out that way. But that's a project that will be slow, and as I can do it, get around to it, then that's what I'll do. But to have them come in here and destroy what little bit I do have, the chickens I'm talking about, I just can't have that. They just gotta stop coming in here. So that's why I'm putting the fence together to deter them. And they've torn up so many of my little plants, and they've dug, and you can see kind of where I've put some stuff back where they dug it all out. And same over here, like several of these. And I noticed my eggplant plants, that's an eggplant plant there, and I got a few of them lined up through here putting out little flowers like that. And I've noticed that the chickens come along and knock them off or pick them off or whatever, or the ducks do, one or the other. But they love coming in here and getting the compost stuff that I put in my compost 4x8 pile, I guess you could say. And they're loving this dirt, doing their dirt baths. But they've branched out and decided they wanted to do dirt baths here, and they've been digging around in there. And I had some little plants growing in there, some little turnip green plants, and they've done going along that, scratch through there and all around through here. And I guess they figured that wasn't deep enough to take a good dirt bath. They like it deep like that. So I'm gonna have to take one of these 4x8 things, not one I've got in the garden, I've got some in the box inside there, and I'm gonna have to put one together over near their chicken coop and fill it full of stuff like this so they can do their dirt baths elsewhere, over there, not in my garden. So that's kind of where I'm at right now with this. And see how they dug up a pea plant there by digging through there. So I mean, look at them down there. They're wandering the perimeter to see if they can find a way in. But you know, I'm thinking there's a way in down there. I need to put something there to keep them out. I just thought about that. Chickens are smart. They'll find their way in. Yep. Right there where this black chickie is. I think he fit right underneath there. Right there where my foot is. Get out, chickie. You're the one with the green band. You've been the problem chicken all along. I think I'm going to change your name. I'm going to call you Rotisserie. I have to start calling you Rotisserie. Maybe Stewie. Hey, Stewie. Call you Mr. Stewie. Alright, so I got to put something there to block that. Because they're definitely checking up the perimeter, trying to figure it out. Look at them. They want back in here so they can get their dirt baths. And they're going to keep on and on and on until they figure it out. Because chickens are smart. But if they get out in here, they can find all kinds of food, all kinds of things to do, places to hide. They can play hide and seek out there. Yeah, they could. Let me keep looking through here. There might be one or two places they could get through, but I'm thinking for right now I need to just put that lawnmower over there. Kind of block that. Because before you know it, every darn chicken in the world will be coming through that hole. Alright. Let me do this. That's right. Run, chickies. Run, you little chickies. Alright. Okay. Block the way. There we go. The way is blocked. Alright, so that'll deter them for a while. You're pretty persistent, aren't you, Mr. or lady, young lady? How about you go somewhere else? Think you can go somewhere else? Huh? Yeah, go somewhere else. I'll be fixing you a bath tomorrow over at the other place, okay? They like a dirt bath, that's for sure. That might be a spot they can get through right there if they figure it out. Maybe right here. Definitely, they could probably get underneath that. But we'll see as time goes. Now that I've pointed it out to them, they'll come running straight over there. But anyway, look at my sweet potato tops. My sweet potatoes are growing. All you gotta do is stick a sweet potato in the dirt and it will grow. If you plant it, it will grow. Kind of like that movie, If You Build It, What They Will Come. Alright, so I'm gonna go in the house now. Oh, I'm fenced in. Dang it. How am I gonna get out of here? Look at that chicken. Look at that. What are you trying to do there? You're trying to push the gate. You're trying to push the fence over. Oh, black chicken. Trying to push the gate over the fence. They're just trying to figure it out. Is that rotisserie? No, you don't have the green band on your leg, do you? No, that's the another one. Okay. All right. How about y'all go lay some eggs? Y'all gonna go lay some eggs? That one back here is persistent. Look at him. Oh, they're gonna figure out how to get in here. I just know it. Look at it getting up there. He's peeking, trying to see what he can do. Oh, there's rotisserie over there with the green band. I call him Stewie. I'm gonna make a stew out of him. And this one is definitely walking the perimeter, trying to figure it all out. Because they want in here to get that dirt bath. Okay, well, I don't know, I might have to build their dirt bath tonight so they don't get in here tomorrow while I'm at work. Alright, well, what am I gonna do?